Almost everyone felt that gut punch the moment we uploaded Rocky's latest video. The comments section exploded. Is Rocky okay? What happened to him? And that's when you realize Rocky wasn't just another dog in the shelter. He was the dog who stood toe-to-toe with King Charles himself. Love him or hate him, Rocky carried that aura. Some saw arrogance, others saw dominance. But here's the truth. Rocky was built different. And whether you liked his attitude or not, you can't deny one fact. Rocky was the first king of this shelter, long before Charles ever claimed the throne. So where is Rocky right now? How's he really doing? That's the question on everyone's mind. What's the latest update on him? Then, out of nowhere, he appeared. 6 minutes that stopped the whole shelter world. Rocky stepped into frame on the live stream, and everything froze. The chat erupted. People typed his name like they were summoning him back to life. His presence alone flicked the energy. You could feel it through the screen. Rocky was back. Look closely. The old heaviness in his eyes, gone. The limp, the sluggish frame, now replaced with a steady, proud stride. His fur caught the light. His chest lifted like the legend he is. Every step he took sent a message. Don't count me out. This wasn't weakness. This was revival. The kind that only true kings can pull off. The difference was clear. Rocky wasn't just another shelter dog anymore. He had his own space, his own attention. The staff put him front and center, not out of pity, but out of honor. This was recognition. After years of survival, after rivalries with King Charles, after holding the line when no one else could, Rocky was finally being treated like royalty. The chat exploded. Rocky, you look amazing. He's still the king. Donations poured in. Support came flooding from around the globe. People weren't just watching, they were celebrating. Because deep down, everyone knew this wasn't just about survival. It was about legacy. Rocky wasn't fading away. He was rising again, with the world standing behind him. Six minutes. That's all it took. 6 minutes to remind us that greatness never really dies. King Charles may rule by dominance, but Rocky rules by presence. And presence can't be faked. It's earned. Even now, even in his age, Rocky carries it. One dog, one legend, one return that proved true kings never fall. They rise again.
大头特别开心，你看我看，感谢这粉丝们。哎，谢谢了，这我们大头，这是那个这两天他吃这大头吃食挺稳啊，挺好的。这两天大头也上膘了， 谢谢谢谢，感谢，可谢谢谢谢，谢谢可以谢谢谢谢，可谢谢了，感谢感谢。谢谢，那谢谢直播间这些个这些粉丝们对我们家里那个关心支持，谢谢了。我这大头累得慌了，也在这趴着呢。你看，都这块凉快，今儿这凉快，在这趴。